Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your new followers notification settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now here you will find notifications. Click on it, and here as you see you will find new followers. Just click like this and it will be turned on, and that's how to turn on new followers notification settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.